The house cleaner revealed the secret. Just sprinkle laundry detergent in boiling water, and your dirty and stained cloths will shine like new. And for this, you'll only need a pot with boiling water and a bit of baking soda. We'll add just a spoonful, which will be enough for cleaning. Baking soda is deodorizing, removes odors and stains, whitens clothes, and softens fabrics. Next, we'll add laundry detergent, which will assist in cleaning and ensure the removal of yellowness, restoring the whiteness of the fabrics, whether it's clothes or dishcloths. You'll love following such a simple and transformative tip. Turn off the heat and let the cloth soak in the pot. The dirt will come off easily, removing all bacteria and stains they might have. This powerful mixture is the perfect solution to revive worn and dirty clothes. Unlike some aggressive products, this homemade solution is gentle on fabrics, preserving their quality and extending the lifespan of clothes. Notice the dirt that came out of the cloths. They're truly very dirty. The combined action of baking soda and laundry detergent penetrates the fibers, removing tough stains and restoring the white color of fabrics. By adopting this technique, you not only restore the brightness of your white clothes, but also achieve a deep clean, prolonging the durability of your clothes and maintaining the impeccable appearance of the pieces. Now just put the clothes in for a regular wash and wait. After doing it this way, I never wasted time scrubbing and no longer spend money on expensive stain removers. Additionally, the combination neutralizes persistent odors, leaving your clothes not only clean, but also fresh and revitalized. See how the cloths are clean and soft. You'll never want to do it any other way after doing it this way, with just 2 ingredients, and you'll never need to make an effort or throw away stained cloths again. They'll be as white as new. The mixture helps undo the accumulation of dirt and stains, giving clothes a sharper and more vibrant appearance. Restore quickly and conveniently without effort.